We're here at Salem Creek Greenway at Washington Park, where a new safety feature is coming in to help first responders better help you. Over the past several years, emergency responders have seen an influx of incidents along trails, greenways, and parks. But because of the way these incidents are tracked, first responders often struggle to quickly find those who are hurt or in danger. After a year of planning, together, MapForsyth, Forsyth County Parks and Rec, and Winston-Salem Recreation and Parks will be installing signs in all city and county parks, greenways, and trails. The signs will show a location with a number and be placed every 1/10 of a mile. Residents can call 911 and provide that information, which can help first responders get to the location faster and determine what equipment they need to bring.
The way the CAD system works is that an emergency responder will be routed to the nearest address point, which is usually a house. Our greenways don't have address points around them, so sometimes the nearest address point can be 500 feet to 1,000 feet away or more, which can route emergency responders to like a neighborhood which doesn't provide access to the greenway. So then the emergency responder will have to find a new way to be able to find access to the greenway, which could take, that extra 10, 20, 30 minutes.
Now, Greenway users can expect to see these signs installed over the next couple of months. Just head on over to cityofws.org for more information. I'm Sarah Mastori reporting.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for all things Winston-Salem, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching.